can see, I'm grilling some of these bell peppers that I'll be using for the chicken grill sandwich, and I will not be using any kind of processed cheese, guys. No mayo, nothing. And instead of cheese, I'll be using paneer. Yes, it's an interesting plus a healthier twist. So as you can see, this is almost ready. I'll just let it cool down and I'll add the paneer along with this and spin it in the mixture jar along with some oregano, chili flakes, salt. That's it. So yeah, it's ready. Now it's a good mixture that you can use as it is in a sandwich, or you can also add your choice of protein. So I have added chicken. Alright, the fun part is now to assemble the sandwich. I've taken 2 slices of wheat bread, and to it I'll add in the mixture and grill it in this sandwich maker. You can also use a tawa. Alright, the next one is super easy and healthy. I'll be using avocado as it has a lot of good fats and it's in season as well. So I'll be using half of this avocado. After toasting the bread a little bit, I'm using 1 egg for this recipe, and in that egg I'll just add a little bit of salt and chili flakes. And now as you can see, I've taken half of the avocado and I'm placing the egg on one of the slice. Now to this I'll be adding a little bit of lemon juice and a bit of toasted sesame seeds and salt. And for the other slice, I have taken some yogurt. I have beaten the yogurt a bit, and the yogurt shouldn't be sour, otherwise, it wouldn't taste as good. And I'm placing some of the blueberries on top, and that's it. It looks great, it's healthy at the same time. Coming on to something desi, and the next breakfast recipe is Bajra mooli parantha. And for that, I'll be using this mooli and Bajra flour, and I'll be adding a little bit of normal atta as well. मूली में इतना पानी already रहता ही है, so we have to be very careful not to add too much of water while kneading the dough. And of course, bajra doesn't have gluten at all, so I'll be using a little bit of normal atta along with it. And now you can see I've chopped some of the coriander and chili for added flavor. Now to this I'll be adding the basic masala, salt, haldi, a little bit of ajwain. Alright, reaching to the last recipe of this video, I'll be doing a fruit bowl, and for this I'll be using some yogurt and fresh fruits. And these fruits can be replaced with any fruit of your choice. Make sure that's not a sour fruit. If it's a summer days, you can use mangoes instead of berries, क्योंकि अभी summers में तो berries नहीं आती, मुश्किल से आते हैं. Or you can also use apples. It's up to you. Again, instead of granola, you can also use muesli or, puffed rice, flat rice, poha, anything that you like. So you can assemble all of this into a bowl, and that's it. That's about it. There's no hassle. Absolutely amazing breakfast or a snack recipe that you can try. To be honest, it's not even a real recipe. It doesn't take so much of time, but it's amazing, tastes amazing, it's healthy at the same time, very light to your tummy. So you can try this out as well.